Hi guys, I'm Shakzee and welcome in Codeigniter world. Today we are going to start our new series which is Codeigniter4. In this series you're gonna learn many things like the CRUD operations, like the sign-up systems, like the login systems, like how can you embed your Twitter bootstrap in Codeigniter4. We are going to start from the zero, like what is the framework, what is the Codeigniter, what are the basics of the Codeigniter, what is the controller, what is the views, what is the model, how can you send your data from your controller to the model, from your controller to the view, how can you receive your data from your model, how can you render your data from controller to the model, how can you add or embed the CSS and also the JS files in Codeigniter4, how can you embed the third-party templates in Codeigniter4, how can you embed the Twitter bootstrap in your systems. So you're gonna learn a lot of things like I already said. So at the end of this series you will be able to create your own fully functional website by using the Codeigniter4. So if you want to learn the Codeigniter4 basics concepts and also perform the CRUD operations, create the basic functionality like sign up and login system, this is the best course for you and you are at the right place. So I hope you will enjoy this series. Thank you for watching.